Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by specifying the language pair and the desired tone. This frames the translation. Once set, paste a short sample of the text, one paragraph or 150 words, so the model learns context. Make sure to include formatting needs, like subtitles or bullet lists. You instruct Chatgpt to preserve names, dates, numbers, and idioms. Explain how literal versus adaptive translation should behave. Starting with a sample prevents large errors when you submit the full content. Now refine by giving glossary entries and constraints so the model follows your rules. Explain why certain terms must remain unchanged, product names, legal terms, or brand voice, and set the target register, reading level, and length goals. Once done, ask Chatgpt to produce both a direct translation and a polished version, then compare. You request adjustments for idioms, punctuation, or cultural references. This iterative approach reduces mistranslations and keeps the translation aligned with your audience. Finish by asking for a back translation to validate meaning. This reveals subtle shifts. Then request a consistency report for repeated terms and a final tone audit to ensure uniform voice. Once verified, export the content in the format you need: plain text, markdown, or structured JSON. If problems persist, provide specific counterexamples and tell the model which parts are wrong, then rerun only those segments. One key troubleshooting tip: reframe problematic phrases with synonyms or short explanatory notes before asking for another pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.